magandang araw po sa lahat ng followers ng Rotary Club of Rodriguez. Ako po si Amorcito Pagulayan, ang kasalukuyang Pangulo po ng Asosasyon ng mga Rotaryo dito sa Montalban o yung tinatawag na Rotary Club of Rodriguez. Nandito po ako ngayon upang ibahagi ang aking kwento ng pagiging isang Rotaryo. Naghanap po ako ng isang avenue na kung saan pwede akong magservisyo dun sa mga kababayan natin na nasa laylayan, or what we call yung less fortunate brothers and sisters natin sa Montalban. And I know for a fact that Rotary clubs are giving services. Kaya nga service above self yung motto nila. So, and also I know for a fact na to become a member of a Rotary Club, you should be invited. Hindi po ito yung mag-a-apply ka para maging miyembro. So, nung inimbitahan ako ng isang kakilala na miyembro ng samahan, ako po hindi nagkatubili na umattend sa kanilang meeting. And come January of 2014, it was then past District Governor Louis Tigman who inducted me as member of the Rotary Club of Rodriguez during the district-wide induction held at Club Filipino. So from then on, I was a member of the Rotary Club of Rodriguez. In 6 months, I was elected as a president nominee designate for the next. I am fourth in line or third in line. So in 2016-2017 Rotary year, I acted as the club president. Sa una, sa tingin ko parang ang hirap maging presidente. Why? Because yung mga members ng Rotary Club of Rodriguez were very supportive of the club. So I was fortunate then because as an employee, I was then a member of a law firm. So hindi ako pwedeng mag-absent to attend the projects of the club. So what we did during that time is we assigned chairman for each projects. So kung yung project ay nataon, ang implementasyon ay during weekdays, wala po ako. Pero the club is there. The membership are there to support the project. So thankfully, we were awarded the Rotary International Presidential Citation during that time. The club is awarded as an outstanding club. And naging outstanding club president ako because of the support of the membership. The qualified candidates to fill in the vacant position are those past presidents. And during that time, the Council of Presidents held a meeting. Siyempre, may trabaho ako. Hindi ako nakasama sa meeting. But I told them that whatever their decisions, I will support. So, bilang wala sa meeting, ako po yung kanilang itinalaga, of course with the acquiescence of all the members of the Rotary Club of Rodriguez. We successfully finished the Rotary year 2017-2018 personally, this is the most memorable year as a club president. As a lawyer, hindi po tayo po yung nagiging sandalan ng ating mga kliyente pagdating sa mga kaso. Pero during this time, because I acted as the president and I adhere to the four-way test, meron po akong pinanindigan. I am part of those great presidents which have a case. Kinasuhan po kami. Fortunately, the court held that we were not guilty of the crime imputed upon us. During my second term as the president of the Rotary Club of Rodriguez, dito po ako nakakilala. Maliban sa Rotary Club of Rodriguez, nagkaroon po ako ulit ng isang pamilya, a group of 28 great presidents, what we call ourselves as the great solid presidents, solid great presidents. When duty calls as a Rotarian, you don't have to back down. Kasi nasa puso mo yung paglilingkod. So you have to step up. Yung president-elect namin, nakapag-train na siya to assume the position of president for this Rotary year. Unfortunately, she has to step back because of health reason. Because some of the past presidents were already district officers, others have business to attend to. I was once again put in a situation where I have to accept the challenge. So the membership voted for up as the club president, and here I am, nearing my term ends. Of course, mga memorable sa akin is the Tanod Academy, where we educate, equip our barangay tanods, the first responders in our barangays, to understand their role. What else? Yung Project ABC, where we held continuous tutoring of pupils of the ERES, every other Saturday. And another one is when we build study waiting shed for pupils of Mascap Elementary School with the help of our sister club, Rotary Club of Guangzhou, Guangsan. So nakapagpatayo po tayo ng isang lugar na kung saan pwedeng mag-aral yung mga bata, mag-antay yung mga magulang sa dismissal ng kanilang mga anak. Second, third, or fourth, we implemented through our district grant yung outdoor gym equipments na nandun ngayon sa Montalban, San Jose Oval, na kung saan yung mga gumagamit ng oval can use the gym equipments for enhancing their health. Fifth is the implementation or the approval of our global grant, which is a donation of a medical ventilators to Inares Hospital. So, yung mga bagay pong yun ay galing po, ang mga pondo ay galing po sa Rotary Foundation. Bakit po tayo na-approve sa mga ganong proyekto? Dahil po ang mga miyembro ng Rotary Club of Rodriguez donates money to the foundation. So pag nagbigay po tayo sa Rotary Foundation, it will come back to the community as a service project. So mag-a-apply ka po ng mga proyekto, then yung mga ibinigay nating pondo donation sa foundation ay babalik po sa atin in the form of grants. So yung pagkakataong maging magserbisyo sa ating komunidad ay nagagawa ko. So kung sino man po dyan na makakanood nitong My Rotary Story, if you are looking for an avenue where you can serve our less fortunate brothers and sisters in Montalban, you are free to join us every other Tuesday, 6:30 in the evening. May meeting po kami sa Crystal G Restaurante sa Daang Bakal, Balite. I will be signing off as the club president by that time siguro, when you intend to join. But the incoming president as well is a very good leader. So he will welcome you pag gusto niyong pumunta. He is President-elect Ernesto Estong Ocampo. To my fellow members of the Rotary Club of Rodriguez, once again, I am very thankful for the support, not to me, but to the club, dahil hindi nyo po pinabayaan ang ating club. Marami pong salamat at magandang araw po sa inyo.